They call it the Lenovo Legion 7, and in this video, let's unbox it. I have reviewed the Lenovo Legion Slim 7 before, and I've also reviewed Lenovo Legion 7, but I've yet to ever review a Lenovo Legion 7 with an AMD Radeon GPU. This comes with the RX 6850M XT. This is a beast of a GPU, and so this is the unboxing, but I'm super excited to get into the benchmarks to see how well this laptop performs up against some of the classic NVIDIA GPUs that we see so many laptops equipped with these days. I think this thing is really going to be a big contender, especially against the coveted Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, which, if you've yet to subscribe to the channel, as soon as we hit 100,000 subscribers, Lenovo sent over 3 Legion 5 Pros for me to give away. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel. We'll hit 100,000 subscribers, and then I'll put out a full announcement video about how you can enter that giveaway. So take the 2 seconds, subscribe, and let's make some dreams come true here. All right, let's check out the charger block. I'm guessing we're gonna have a 300 watt charger block here. This is massive. Yep, 300 watt charger block for the laptop. Go ahead, pull this honker out. There is that. And then what is this? What is this thing? I guess these are key replacements. So you can like create your own. Whoa, flying keys. I think you can actually create your own keys and then like write on them or something. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. There we go. So that's really neat. So create your own keys here with Lenovo. So yeah, you can pop those off and have the white keys if you want to do some custom key functionality. All right, stop making rhymes here. All right, here's the laptop. Let's see what we got here. Not seen this since over a year ago. I didn't get a chance to review one so far this year. Wow. That is super neat. It's actually pretty good weight, especially compared to the Lenovo Legion Slim 7. It doesn't look that much thicker. I'll do a full head-to-head review versus the Slim 7, so if you want to look out for that, keep an eye on that. We have that very similar design to the Legion 7, Slim 7, where the top cover fits inside of the keyboard deck. I just think that's a really weird design choice, but they, again, chose to do it, so it's intentional. It creates a very unique aesthetic where it makes it look nice and slim, but it's just I just think it's an odd design choice. And then again, on the bottom, they have that same thing where it kind of sticks out a little bit. Now, I'm pretty sure that's RGB lighting, so that'll look really cool when we turn the laptop on. But overall, I love the design. It's sturdy. The only thing I have to complain about is how the ledge kind of sticks out. I think it's kind of weird. All right. A little bit of rattle on the top cover. And honestly, a little bit of rattle on the bottom cover right there. So I've seen them assemble laptops better, but still a good assembly. Wow, that's like really thick. Love that aluminum. That looks great. All right, so we have a USB Type-C, a headphone jack, and our manual cutoff switch for the webcam on the left side panel. On the right side panel, we have 2 more USB Type-Cs. Along the back panel, we have another USB Type-C. So that means this laptop comes with 4 USB Type-Cs, and then we have 2 USB Type-A's, an HDMI port, a network port, and then our power adapter. So this thing has a lot of connectivity. However, the Legion Slim 7 comes with the SD card slot. So if you're looking for the SD card reader, that would be why you might want to choose the Slim over the Legion. It looks like this is going to light up too. Man, this thing is going to be fancy. All right, let's go ahead and open and close the lid. Easily done with one hand. That base is nice and heavy, so that opens very nicely. Let's do a quick screen flex test. A little bit of screen flex there. Overall, this is looking good. This laptop comes with the Ryzen 9 6900HX. Same as the Legion Slim 7 that I've reviewed recently. If you haven't seen that yet, keep an eye on the channel. It should be coming sometime soon. A medium key press, full-size numpad on the right side, full-size shift key, arrow keys, spacebar, and then again, there's that RGB. That looks nice. Let's check out the front. And there's the RGB on the Legion symbol. Man, okay, so this is just It's really cool looking, and RGB on the keyboard backlighting. So as far as styling, this is the most stylized Legion laptop you can buy. Look at that RGB vibes. That is so cool. Again, the trackpad is something that I've continued to have a little bug about. I wish it was bigger. This is the standard Legion trackpad for the Legion 5, 5 Pro, Slim 7, and standard Legion 7. I think for creators, it could be bigger. However, it is big enough to be functional, but I hope that in the future, maybe they'll use the space that is clearly provided around the trackpad to give us a slightly bigger trackpad. Very thin, minimal bezels around the edge of the screen. That looks very nice. I like how the screen opens up all the way flat. So no matter how you're positioned to your computer, you can get a nice view on your screen. It does have a webcam along the top bezel, and here's a quick sample of the webcam for you. This is the webcam on the Legion 7 and a little sample of the audio for you as well. Punch for punch, I'm really liking this, and the fact that it's only a little bit thicker than the Slim 7 really makes a lot of sense if somebody has a bit more budget and they want a bit more performance while still keeping that really nice Slim 7 styling. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flip the laptop over and check out the upgrade path. But again, if you wanna know the difference between the Slim 7 and the regular Legion 7 as far as price is concerned, I'll put links in the description below and you can check out the pricing. And of course, if you do make a purchase, I'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. Pleasantly surprised at how easy it was to pull off this bottom cover. As you pull it off, it revealed the 99.9 watt-hour battery, 2 upgradable RAM sticks, upgradable Wi-Fi card, and 2 M.2 slots. Okay, so one is occupied, one comes unoccupied. So a really great upgrade path. One of the leading benefits to choosing the Legion 7 over the Slim 7 is you have access to both of your RAM sticks. In the Legion Slim 7, you only have access to one. So the upgrade path is far more substantial inside of the Legion 7. So that could lead you towards purchasing this laptop. Punch for punch, I think they have a lot of similarities. You might want to purchase the Legion Slim 7 because it has an SD card reader and it's a little bit more compact and on-the-go friendly, but honestly not by much. And it may be a little more budget conscious for you. This one comes in a few $100s more, Legion Slim 7. Now again, links are in the description below if you want to check out the live pricing and availability of both models. Likes this video has brought you some value, and let's go ahead and tap that subscribe button to reach 100,000 subscribers and kick off this giveaway. I'll see you guys here in the next video.